The combination of fascial stretch therapy and massage creates a dialogue between the sensory, how we feel, and motor, how we move neurons. This is critical for an overall healthy body. In 3 sessions or less, your pain can be greatly reduced or eliminated, your stress is significantly reduced, you can achieve a better posture, you have improved mobility, and injuries become a thing of the past. Function for Life is collaborating with ComePlayDetroit to bring these benefits to those of you who live and or work in Detroit. To find out more, go to our website functionforlife.com to book a free consultation in our WeWork Campus Martius office.